Why are so many men over 50 saying goodbye to the pharmacy? Nobody talks about this mixture, but those who tried it never stopped. Wives say they're shocked because the only thing that rises faster than ginger's heat is the mood in the bedroom. Here's the secret. Take fresh ginger with the skin on and grate it. Add 1 raw egg, pure protein, raw energy. Then pour in just enough cold Coca-Cola to cover it. It will foam. It will bubble. That's when the magic starts. Mix until smooth and drink it 30 minutes before bed. Many call it a miracle. It boosts circulation, warms the body, and reignites energy you thought was gone. Some even say the little guy comes back stronger than ever. 3 ingredients, 1 order, and results that aren't spoken. They're felt. Try it, and you'll understand.